Hey, good morning guys. It's day 2 in Iguazu. So last night I met few Sri Lankan dudes at the hostel. They're from Germany. So yeah, we had a chat, and they were planning to go to the waterfall, the Argentinian side today. So yeah, we decided to ask the guide if they could take us a bit early than usual. So usually they leave at around 8:30, just after the breakfast. It take like an hour to get to the park, to the Argentinian side. So you know, we asked if they could take us a bit early so we can get there first, as the park opens at 8 o'clock. Yeah, so that's what we did today. It's 6:30 now. We're going to leave at 7 o'clock. It's around 100 riyals per person for this transfer. So you know, just not too bad. I don't really know the rates here. You know, you just pay what they ask for. Yeah, so that's what it is. And I think our taxi is here now. So yeah, we'll see you at Iguazu.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right.
Okay, so made it to the park. It cost around 800 pesos, I think, for the ticket. Unfortunately, the boat ride is not available today because there is no enough water. That's what the guy said. So that's okay. I'm just gonna walk around and take some pictures of the waterfall.
Shining light, it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
Okay, so we are at this train station to Devil's Throat. It's a 30-minute ride to the station, to the Devil's Throat place. It is one of the main attraction in this park. So we decided to go to this place first and then do the other two trails. And there's one superior trail and one inferior trail. I really want to do both trails today. Yeah, so yeah, just waiting for the train now. So getting a visitor here. He's looking for food. Smelling everyone's bag. Okay, so that boat trip took around 10 minutes, and now off to the main spot. It's called the Devil's Throat. It's around 15-minute walk. There's a trail, and it looks amazing. So yeah, oh, look at the river. Okay, so now off to do the lower trail. We just got back from the main Devil's Throat. Yeah, so yeah, it's 12 o'clock. I'm guessing it will take a couple of hours for this trail. We're almost. So now off to the upper circle. Yeah, I'm really tired. It's almost 40 degrees Celsius outside. Really hot. It was not this hot this morning, but yeah, really excited. The lower part of the falls was kind of exciting, but I'm really looking forward to this one. Yeah, it's a shame that I can't fly the drone. I'm still not sure about it yet. I'm gonna ask the park ranger about it, and maybe I will come back. Yeah, that's the plan for now. Yeah, so let's get going. Okay, so we decided to go to the Devil's Throat place once again. We took the last train to this place because last time it was really crowded, and since I'm guessing it's the end of the park closing time, there won't be much people. I'm hoping. So yeah, really excited to see that place again. And yeah, now the sun is directly hitting the waterfall, so it will look a little different to how it was before. Okay guys, so that is it for today. So we've made it to the Devil's Throat, and it was amazing. There was very few people compared to this morning, and yeah, that was a really good call to actually go back. Now I'm just gonna go to the train station to get the last train to get back to the entrance where our taxi driver will be waiting for us. Yeah, so that's it for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Yeah, I mean, stay tuned. I will be going to the Brazilian side tomorrow. Apparently it's not that big, but still it's you know, it's epic. So yeah, really excited for that. Yeah, stay tuned guys.